Yummy. For today's video, gagawa tayo ng konsyenta. May all-purpose flour, may cassava flour, may sugar, butter, live water or lihiya kung tawagin, at ating paganuhan. And the last but not the least, meron tayong tinatawag na atsuete. Thank you.